So on this you've got 4 screws. There, and there, and there. On the other side. And then we've got to put something here to split the casing. Oh, I imagine that's why half it didn't work. If I remember right, this car wouldn't go on drive, which is not connected to its joint. Is the one that puts the car on drive. Using shoes. This is not what I wanted to see at the old garage. He said to the staff, faucet gear, and that snapped off freely. But what I'm worried about now is the worst outcome where it cooks and the flour could have woven themselves together, or rusted themselves together. All the slits and the stuff, which would be the good one. Check that they are the same. They do look the same. Come on, you buggers. So you squeeze that. Push that through. He's got it on. Push that to the side. This is to do some Megane. We've got the gear selected box repair. We're going to say question mark because we don't know if that's actually working yet. So we've got drain the fuel tank, which I need to do. Full major service to engine flush, which I call when we do these. Replace door, drivers, locking mech, which we've done. Brake lines, they might need replacing, probably go for braided. Discs and pads all around. These times I'll do, I won't be doing, be paying someone. Full deep clean inside and out. Replace or repair driver's seat leather, refit the wheels. Thank you very much for watching part 4. Next part I'll be putting this back in and maybe draining the fuel tank.